This is our spot for 2 nights. Wow. Wow. And we just spent 2 hours in the car from Ubud to get here, and yeah, such a nice view. Wow. Wow. Still will not get over just having this literally at our front door. But anyway, this is our, well, technically our first full day here. Gonna get some breakfast, and yeah, I guess we're gonna take a walk down towards the lake later this afternoon or this morning. Yeah, have a look what's around. We're gonna book the sunset Jeep tour for tonight or this evening. Yeah, last night we didn't get up to much. We just had some dinner, sat around the pool, finished editing off my video, and it's 15 minutes it's going to be out, so fingers crossed that I did a good job. And yeah, I guess I'll see you when, I don't even know when we go somewhere next, but I'm gonna get some breakfast now and see where the day goes. But yeah, we're gonna soak in the view while we're here. Wow. Hello! We're the only people walking.
Mine's more expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, yours weighed more. You had a big towel.
Yeah, it's probably fucking still half wet.
Yeah. That was the most random place for the laundry. Look.
Look at it.
No wonder we were lost. What the hell?
Tucked away in the middle of some fucking work.
Yeah, look, all the red onions.
That must be the dad, and this must be his farm. Right?
Yeah.
Farm and laundry, that's their business.
Yeah, that's it. They're just out here grafting. Yeah. We've actually got heaps of farm. Like, there's more tomato plants growing over there. Sick little gig out here if you were a farmer. Yeah. You could start up a go farm out here. Get Barry to come back out.
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
What? Okay, I will take the car, yeah? Wait
Yeah,
here.
yep, perfect.
Wait, 200, yeah?
200?
Yeah, and back here.
No.
No.
We want to...
I'll walk for that price.
Where do you stay?
Just there.
In there? In
Yeah, just up there.
Bulan.
Yeah.
You pay 200 and I want pick up you until the villa.
We can just walk to the villa from here.
Yeah. You want walk?
Yeah, I can walk to the villa from here. We walked from here, from the villa.
Yes.
We did laundry.
Start from here, we go to ATM and back to ATM. I'm pick up you until the villa. You want?
200. No, not for 200. No, that's all right. That's all good. We'll walk.
Okay, I want pick up you until the ATM, yeah?
Yeah.
100, yeah?
Nah, it's okay, boss.
No, it's all good, mate. All good. Grab wants like 12k.
I know. 200 was like one.
Yeah.
I mean, they could probably give us a lift up there.
Yeah.
How else does anyone else get around?
Yeah, I don't know.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I guess we can go up there and ask and see how much. I'm sure someone would give us a lift for like cheaper than that.
Oh, mate, 200 is a joke. You're
Two-
trying to make some good
Yeah,
money.
200k. Yeah, yeah. Just because,
I respect
just
it, but
yeah,
not from me.
respect the hustle. Yeah, because he knows that we need to get there. Like, that's right. Hello. Good morning. How is everybody? We're here. We made it. Oh my god. Wow. We had to borrow the bike so I could get to the ATM. We've got literally 10,000 cash. What I want, probably that. There's my bike. Bike. I'm basically a local out here now. There's too late. Okay. 1 million. Let's get it. Yeah, I was like sitting there just doom scrolling, and I was like, man, I could roll over in a second and just fall asleep. But now, take out the Jeeps. Let's go. We're gonna get up there. Let's go. Just here. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. How are you too?
I do massage.
Oh.
I give you one locker, is enough for 2 people?
Yes, that's fine. Yep.
This is for welcome drink.
Yeah.
Take down there in the one.
Okay, thank you.
It's here, right? This is locker C, your locker is.
Yep, thank you.
Massage.
Charlie wants a massage.
I love massage, but maybe later. Maybe later.
Yeah, this is there. How about you?
Yes.
I will try in the pool later. 1 minute is free.
1 minute is free. 1 minute is free.
Bye-bye.
188. Yeah, Charlie, get changed. Not even like 2 seconds. Just walked down the steps. We just we just walked down the stairs, and then she's like, "Oh yes, you are a very strong boy."
Tense.
Is that what she said? Yeah. Hey, wait till she touches me then. No shorts. Oh, that's our key. So we can get into our locker. All right. Let's see if the water's nice and warm in the hot springs. Oh. Oh. Wow. This is... How nice is it in? Oh. Wow. Oh. This is included in our Jeep pool drive. I forgot about it. Like, he got there and he's like, "Oh yeah, you want to go to the hot springs first?" And I was like, "Oh yeah, I forgot about that." Hey, it literally says Jeep and hot springs tour. Oh. And that goes all the way up there as well. Up there, back around. Heaps of different pools. What about the girls that walk past us then? Oh my god. Wow. At least when you're peeing here, you won't even know if it gets any warmer.
This pee could be touching my leg.
Hi, Charlie. Good slide tackle. Oh. Well, that was pretty sick.
Yeah, it's fucking epic.
That was nice. Sick little view. It's piercing it down rain while we were in the pool for ages. But now, as soon as the Jeep driver gets here, it stops raining.
Should be here.
Perfect. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. No, but as soon as he gets here, it stops raining.
Oh, yeah.
He must be the genius that controls the rain.
Oh, wait, I've left my phone.
I'll meet you at the front. Yeah, so off to the Jeeps now. Should be a bit of fun. Hopefully the clouds clear up and we get a nice sunset tonight and it's good. But yeah, hot springs were very nice, very warm inside. Oh, there's our Jeep. There's our Jeep. There's our Jeep. Come on.
Okay, brother, enjoy your trip, yeah?
Thank you. That's
Then,
in the back.
yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Can I
That's
climb
good.
it from here?
Yep, perfect then. Thank you.
Careful.
Come on, baby. Yeah.
Okay, so already?
Yeah, we're ready. As long as you're ready.
Born ready.
Ready.
Gosh. Wow. Oh,
Banging.
what a view. Oh no. Oh, that's so funny.
Keep going, really.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, let's have a snack. What do we got?
I don't know.
Some,
Got some barbecue.
some crisps. These are probably,
Nice and airtight.
yeah, when we come up so high. They're probably sour cream and onion maybe or something, or sour cream and chives. I don't know. Let's dig in. Oh! Let's dig in and have some
I'm starving.
food.
Oh my god, they're even worse than like Australian toasters.
When you open them.
I think fucking spicy.
Oh, is it? Mm.
I can sit here.
Good boy. Good boy.
Warm as well.
Oh well, that's it. At this beautiful view. Our last half an hour we're getting picked up in, and then we're off to Gilly Tea. Yeah, we're getting picked up at 10:30. It's now 9:50, so just gonna soak up the last bit of the view here. Yeah, cozy little room, eh? What do you think? What do you reckon of this place?
This place?
Just in general.
Pretty good, pretty aesthetic. Does the job.
Does the job.
You know.
That's it. Yeah, I said.
Nice people.
Yeah.
So shout out Johnny.
Yeah, shout out Johnny. Johnny hooking us up. I said there's not much to do unless you're just coming for the hike.
Yeah.
Other than that, hot springs were pretty sick.
Yeah, hot springs are good.
Yeah. But yeah.
2 nights is all you need.
Yeah, 2 nights max. But yeah, sick. Guess we'll probably see you at the ferry, eh? 2 hours to go.
Probably get it there.
Yeah, somewhere here. Oh well, that 2-hour drive took us an hour and a half. He was razzing it.
Bro was on a mission.
He was on a mission. So that's what we take, one of them things out there. Oh, so what time? We meet back at 1 o'clock to get our luggage and start boarding our ferry, but we're here ready to get our boogie on at Gilly Tea, I guess. Get our freak on. All the hoes at the check-in were elite, so we are gas. Grab some food, beer, and yeah. Well, this is, I don't know, a lot different to what I expected, I reckon. Yeah. All good for now. Thank you.
Electric bike transport?
Not yet. Thank you. Oh, just want some food.
Stinks like fucking
Horse, yeah, it smells like flow out here. Oh, that's happy hour the whole time. Flat. Oh yeah.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Nice little spot for lunch. Yeah. Little beach gym. Got a little pump in before we drink 1,000,000 beers tonight, I reckon. Little tries over here, eh? Big tries. Yeah. Right on the beach. Yeah. Yeah, can't complain about that. Yeah. That's it. Snorkeling today. Come on. Let's get it. Yeah. Okay. We've got a 4-hour boat cruise. Well, I guess boat ride. Snorkeling at what, 3 different islands it says?
Yeah.
Glass bottom boat.
Stop for lunch.
Stop for lunch. All included, 150k. That's pretty damn cheap, if I'm being honest. Good price. So we're leaving in half an hour, but this is the crib during the day. It's pretty good, pretty nice. The next door neighbour must live here, and he said we can go do some surfing this afternoon maybe.
Yeah.
I didn't know there was any surfing waves over this way, but
Like a championship surfer or something.
yeah, that's right. The championship surfer of the island or something, so maybe get some lessons and ride some waves. Cody! Surf's up, dude. But we're gonna get ready, and yeah, I think we're gonna carry some stuff to the boat with him. Yeah, just some snorkeling gear, but let's get it. Ooh, handsome devil, right? Ready for snorkeling? Oh. Looks like a good day as well, eh? Maybe. We'll find out. Oh, the water's colder today than it was yesterday. Yeah, I'm not tall enough to hit my head, so it's alright. Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Yes, brother. Definitely gonna hit my head again at some point.
Yeah, for sure. It's a decent sized boat.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Cowabunga, surf's up. Some fun shit too. A bit low for Charlie.
Kans dat je daar onder water echt...
Careful, my friend, you're a little bit tall, man.
Yeah, I'm good.
Now it's outside.
It already happened.
Local size.
That's right, yeah, local size. I'm pretty much a local.
Yeah.
Let's go. Is it? Did you touch? That's so cool. I was like right next to it. So it's salt water.
It's leaking all in my shit.
Come on, Nibbo. Do a bomb. Pencil bomb. Pencil bomb. I was like, why is there so many fish and bread? That is so cool. Sorry, boss. Oh yeah. Gilly Mono. Manu. Gilly Manu. Herbie Manu. Manu. Oh, that was good. Bit of lunch now, eh? Yeah. Yeah, so hungry now.
A lot of swimming.
We've just spent, what, a couple of hours swimming.
Tuna.
Yeah. Wow. Fine
A lot of
shit.
people there.
Yeah, there is a few people here.
Hopefully a few comes quick.
Yeah.
Up there.
Oh yeah, perfect. Just finished up our lunch and it's about to start raining and we're getting on the boat. Could be a rough ride. Here comes Charlie. The boat ride home could be like in Thailand. It's about to start getting pretty windy. Uh-oh. Oh, the girl's gonna get seasick.
She's already seasick.
I know.
How?
Imagine- to be fair, it is pretty rough.
Just don't look down.
Yeah. Or just don't get seasick.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Sometimes in life. Well, back from snorkeling. Elite. Good fun. Good fun. Met some good people. Saw a few turtles. But now, get that pump in. Little gym. And yeah, probably just relax on the beach until
Party time.
party time, yeah, until we get a little bit hungry and go back, have a shower and go out. But yeah, let's get a little session in, eh?
Bit sunburnt there, mate.
Me.
Yeah. Looking at red. Back on him, Jesus. He's like a silverback.
Call me Godzilla.
Super setting. Jesus, this guy can't be stopped. Too right.
Well, that's today. Doing nothing today. We're just gonna sit here at the beach and soak up the last day, but gonna be the end of the second vlog, so I hope everybody enjoyed, and yeah, come back for the next one. We're gonna head to Nusa Penida. Tomorrow morning, we're going to do some snorkeling with the manta rays, check out the beaches, and yeah, but for now, we're just going to spend the afternoon at the beach and have some milkshakes and yeah, enjoy our last bit of the sun. So, thank you.